Totoo ba na you can never really unlove someone? You just get used to not having them around. Mayong kings and queens, quick thoughts. Let's go! False. False, 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 false. Unloving or forgetting or moving on is a process. Proseso yan na dapat gustuhin ninyong tahakin para sa sarili ninyo. As part of self-love, self-worth, and self-respect. Kaya nagkakaroon ng ganyang quotes, no, is because they want to romanticize still being in love with their ex. Kahit na matagal nang tapos at wala nang pag-asang maibalik yung samahan na meron sila noon kasi nasira na. Ginawa yung quote na yan para lang sa ganun. Iro-romanticize nila yung still having feelings for your ex. Fuck that! Mag-move on ka. Mag-move on kayo. From this day moving forward, matutunan nyo pong tumanggap ng realidad na hindi lahat ng napapanood nyo sa social media o sa kung saan mang streaming platform yan, no? Hindi lahat yun nangyayari sa totoong buhay. Yes, merong mga success stories ang mag-ex na nag-break noon tapos sila rin yung kinasal at the end of the story ng kanilang pag-ibig, no? Pero hindi nag-a-apply yun sa lahat. Huwag nyong buhayin ang mga quotes na ganyan. Huwag nyong buhayin ang mga napapanood nyo sa K-drama at sa telebabad o teleserye, I should say. Learn to move forward in life accepting the fact that they are only lessons na kailangan mong matutunan. At the end of the day, kailangan mong magpatuloy sa buhay na hindi na sila kasama. Okay? Ang problema sa mga tao who's holding on to this kind of quotes, who's holding on to those kinds of stories, hindi ninyo pinipiling mag-move on kasi may mga ganitong nag-e-exist. The quotes, the love stories you watch, the love stories you hear, hindi naman po kayo kabilang dun eh. Lalo na kung yung reason ng breakup nyo cheating. Ha? Getting used to not having them around in your life is how it's supposed to be. Ganun talaga dapat ang proseso mo ng pag-move on. Get used to it. Hanggang umabot ka na sa punto na kapag nag-reminisce ka, nangiti ka na lang. Hindi ka na apektado negatively. Okay, I'll see you in the next vid, my young kings and queens. Stream my new single, If You Want Me. It's available on Spotify and all streaming platforms. Other than that, nice.